जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 7th श्लोका। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, Atma Sakshatkaram is your goal. So fix your mind on your goal. Keep on practicing to get control over all of your sensory organs and engage yourself in performing all your day-to-day duties, occasional duties and desired activities. Nitya, Naimittika, Kamya Karma." Keep performing all your duties, keep on carrying out all your activities, but remember one thing, do not get attached to the fruits of your actions. That is how start leading your life to attain your goal, which is Atma Sakshatkaram. If you start doing this practice, you will be regarded as superior to Jnana Yogi. Like this, Krishna Paramatma helping us understand Karma Yogam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yastvindriyani manasa niyamya arabhaterjuna karmendriyaihi कर्मयोगम असक्तः सविशिष्यते। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties to impress you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshin Narendra requesting all the Maharshis saying that Samagataha Sarvata eva sarve. You all came from different places of this entire universe. You all came here only because you have compassion on me. You want to bless me. That is why you all came here. O Maharshis, you are all the people who always wish for the welfare of the entire world. O Maharshis, now I have one request. You all please think about it and then give me the essential answer to me for my question. O Maharshis, the one who is now about to die, what he must be doing, where he must be fixing his mind, where he must be engaging his sensory organs. Saptaham bula mukti ke gudugatim chirchinchi bhashim pare. You all please discuss among yourselves and think very deep about my question and give me answer. You all please suggest me what should I be doing now. Like that, Parikshin Narendra requested all the Maharshis. At that time, while Parikshin Narendra requesting, Tatra Abhavat Bhagavan Vyasaputro Yadruchaya. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, the one who has no desires at all, came down there. Vyasaputra Sukha Maharshi, the one who has been wandering around the entire world, came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, who has been paying and focusing all of his attention on his soul, which is supported by Paramatma, came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, the one who is enjoying himself, enjoying Atma Darsanam, which is supported by Parabrahma, now came down there. Vyasaputra Sri Sukha Maharshi, who has been enjoying the bliss, Nijalabhatushtaha, the eternal bliss, while living in this body, while paying his complete attention to Atma, which is supported by Parabrahma. Now Vyasaputra Sukha Maharshi came down and standing right there near Parikshin Narendra. Yadruchaya, he did not plan to come over there. He just came down by himself without even planning. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. కరచరణ సరోజే కాంతిమన్నేత్రమీనే శ్రమముషి భుజవీచి వ్యాకులే గాధమార్గే హరిసరసి విగాహ్యాపీయ తేజోజలౌఘం భవమరు పరిఖిన్నః ఖేదమద్య త్యజామి. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 3rd chapter 7th శ్లోక. యస్త్వింద్రియాణి మనసా నియమ్య ఆరభతేర్జున కర్మేంద్రియైః కర్మయోగం అసక్తః స విశిష్యతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.